Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow color to color the wall of the house. Blue color. We use green color to color the door of the house. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.